Hey guys, this is Abhishek. Welcome to GizDev.com, and today we will see the Realme UI Live Wallpapers. You can install it on any Android smartphone. I have put the download link in the description box. You can visit that site and download the zip file. After downloading, you can open it in WinZip or WinRAR or any software, so you can unzip the files. I am using the WinZip and I am extracting the files. Those are APK files basically, so that those files we have to install it one by one. So I have extracted the files. Now let's go where the files are extracted. That is, I have saved in file manager and music folder. Let's see that. Yeah, here are those 6 wallpapers. We have to install it one by one. So let's start by number 1. Ignore that screenshot. So we'll start by installing the one by one wallpapers. And especially talking about these wallpapers is that these wallpapers can change basically according to your time zone. Like one of those wallpapers have Lal Mahal something, and the sky, which is available in the wallpaper app, will change according to your time. That is, when you are using the smartphone in day, the sky will be bright, and when you are using the smartphone in the night, the sky will be dark with some asteroids coming. And so here is our last wallpaper. So let's install it and apply and see how it looks. So for applying these wallpapers, we have to install the wallpapers app that is available in the Play Store. I am using the Google Wallpapers app, so I recommend you to use same app. So let's download. I already downloaded it, and let's open it now. So here find the live wallpaper section where your installed wallpapers are located. So here are these 6 wallpapers. So let's try it one by one. Let's try the first one. Yes, like you see, I am using the smartphone like at the time video recording, it's night, so it's looking at like a dark sky. You can see that. So let's try another one. Let's try another one wallpaper. Let's see. Look how it turned the sky into the dark light. And when you apply, the same effect will be applied.